welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing 4 ingredient bagels. I'm so excited because I never made bagels before. We're making bagels. Bagels, baby. In a large bowl, you add 1 cup of flour. Wait, don't get this on my hands. You add half teaspoon of salt. Now you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Should I add it? Oh my God. Now you add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Stuck. So heavy. Stuck. Now you just have to mix it up. My mom mixed it well and she turned it into a dough. Now we're gonna shape them into bagels. My mama shaped them into bagels. I'm gonna do 1 plain for my grandma and 2 with seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning. Now we're gonna bake them at 350, which is 30 minutes. Hi guys, the bagels are ready. And now, can I show them?
Okay, show them.
I'm going to show you it.
Oh my God,
Tasting time. Mama?
No.
Mama? 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 Guys, it's so good.
Really good?
It's really good.
Are you serious? This is so good.
It's made different.
Oh my God, Zen.
It's made different.
Yum. This is so yum.
Guys, this is so yum. I can eat it every day. Enjoy my video.